Okay guys, this is lesson 1.7 where we're going to multiply by two-digit numbers. When we multiply by two-digit numbers, it's really similar to what we did today by the one-digit numbers. Just a couple more steps are in there. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to estimate. So we need to round. So when we round for our multiplication estimates, what I want to do is I want to look at the biggest number, so the tens number in each number. And then we're going to round that number. So to round that number, we go to the right. If that number is 5 or higher, we round up. So it is. So we're going to round this number up to 60. If the number is 4 or lower, we round down, and that's a 1. So we're going to round down to the nearest 10, which is 10. If we multiply that, 1 times 6 is 6. 0, 0, 600. So hopefully our real answer is close to 600. Okay. So here we go. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to multiply the ones. So we're going to start with this one. 1 times 7 is 7. And 1 times 5 is 5. So the first part of our problem is done. We multiplied the ones. Now we're going to multiply the tens. In order to do that, we need to start out with a 0. The reason we put that 0 there is we're really not just multiplying 1 times 7 and 1 times 5. We're really multiplying 10 times 7 and 10 times 5. And when you multiply something by 10, you add a 0. So now we're going to go 1 times 7 and 1 times 5. Okay, that step is done. And now all we have to do is add our numbers. Make sure that when you do this multi-digit, two-digit or more digit multiplication, that you line them up really nice so that you can see it well, and that when you add it correctly. You don't want to do all the work and then mess up when you add your numbers. 7 plus 0 is 7. 5 plus 7 is 12. 1 plus 5 is 6. So our estimate is really close. Our estimate is 600 and our real answer is 627. I think we're probably right. Here are your 2 extra credit multiplication problems.